Hi guys, so today we are going to do a fun, sassy, short, textured date night look. I'm going to be using a crimper and a wand to achieve this style. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve that sassy hair. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that first so that way you can see further videos in the future and see all my newest trends with hair and makeup and other beauty products. Without further ado, let's jump right in. First, you're going to section your hair. I always use a thermal protectant. It's very important. Take a small section and place the crimper closer to the root. After a few seconds, move it down. Continue this technique onto the next section of hair. You can rotate using a wand and wrapping the hair around it for a different style of curl. Make sure you're using the thermal protectant on each section. In the crown, I'm going to use the crimper right at the root just to help with extra volume. And on the top, I will mainly focus on wrapping the curls around a wand for more of a beach wave kind of curl. Just continue with small sections until all the hair on your head has been curled or crimped. Okay, now that everything is either crimped or curled, I just kind of take my fingers and run it through. This is gonna look crazy, but that is fine, you guys, trust me. I just use some of that thermal shine spray and just kind of break it up and make it real messy. You could also use a little texture spray there. And then I just kind of place things where I want them. And if you want a little more volume, you can go in right at the crown. Just kind of get that fullness, that big hair that you want. And I just kind of move stuff around and place it where I want it. So like this curl, move it over there. Sometimes I like a little more in my bang area. I'll just kind of pull those apart until I kind of feel like they're really where I want them to be. Then if I see any spots that are like too perfect, I might go in and just kind of give those a little kink so they're not too straight or too perfect. Here, I want this to be more of a curl instead of crimped. So I'm just gonna wrap a really thin section around so that way it'll kind of do whatever I want it to do. And then this piece, manipulate a little more there. So yeah, that is basically it. I would probably leave some of this in front, tuck the back, just kind of pull this over. And there is my messy, like curly, wavy hair bob. Very sassy, very fun. It's pretty quick to do, depending on how perfect you want it or how messy you want it. So that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way you'll see the latest tips and tricks from my beauty page. Thanks, guys.